Okay, we have a Summit gap bed engine lathe. 29-inch swing, 41 in the gap, 60 in centers, serial number 780101. It's new in 1978. All right, it's inch metric, it has a taper attachment, it's a 19.5-inch forejaw, a large steady rest, and we're gonna run it. Okay. We're feeding the cross slide. Longitudinal. You can hear the spindle is nice and quiet. The waves on this machine are also clean. Brake, reverse. He's got the screw turning now. We're going to thread. He's engaging the half nut, and we're threading. We're going to run a couple of other speeds for you. That's a lower speed, lower RPM. And a much lower speed. So you saw a higher speed, a sort of a medium speed, and a very low speed. Eric, show them the taper attachment in the back. There's your taper attachment. This is your serial number over here on the bed. There's a thread dial indicator. Oh, show them the tailstock quill angel moving out. And I think that's kind of it. Thank you for watching the video.